Hey everyone, Adam here. As SEOs and GEOs practitioners, we all know Semrush's SEO Writing Assistant is a solid tool for on-page scoring. But let's be honest, the pricing can be steep for smaller teams, and it completely misses how your content actually performs inside AI engines. The search landscape is shifting fast, and your content strategy needs to shift with it. So today, we are diving into the top 5 alternatives to supercharge your workflow. Let's start with the overall winner for agencies and startups, Radarkit.ai. If you are trying to optimize for both classic Google and AI search, this tool is an absolute game changer. Starting at just $29 a month, it tracks your brand's visibility inside ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and Google AI overviews. Its Query Fanouts feature lets you see exactly what data an LLM searches for in the background, while the GeoWriter uses NLP and competitive citation data to build content optimized for both SERPs and AI models. Plus, it tracks real-time responses from over 50 countries using residential IPs. It's the ultimate future-proof choice. Next, if your primary focus is deep, data-driven briefs and real-time content grading, Clearscope AI is a powerhouse, starting at around $129 a month. Clearscope excels at analyzing top-ranking pages to give you highly granular semantic term suggestions and live readability guidance. Its grading system is incredibly writer-friendly, helping you cover all key facets of a topic naturally without ever feeling like you're just stuffing keywords. Next up is Frase, which starts at $98 a month. Frase is phenomenal if you love a repeatable research, brief, draft, and optimize workflow. It automatically analyzes the top SERP results, mines common questions, and generates detailed content outlines at scale. It beautifully blends SERP research with AI-assisted drafting to save you hours of manual prep work. Next. Now, if you need pure, high-volume AI writing alongside an SEO optimizer, Writesonic is a fantastic alternative for around $39 a month. It helps you move from a blank page to an optimized draft incredibly fast. It checks your text against real-time Google data, flags structural gaps, and even offers one-click SEO rewrites to instantly lift your content score. Next, if you are on a tight budget but still want advanced semantic SEO, take a look at NeuronWriter. At just $19 a month, it focuses heavily on NLP-driven optimization and entity suggestions. It compares your draft directly against your search competitors, giving you a clear roadmap of exactly what terms or internal links you need to add to rank higher. Choosing the right tool ultimately comes down to your specific goals. If you need rapid content generation at scale, go with Writesonic. For deep semantic analysis, Clearscope or NeuronWriter are excellent choices. But if you want to win brand presence inside modern AI assistants and AI overviews, Radarkit.ai is the clear winner for an AI-aware content workflow. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay ahead of the curve in this new era of search, make sure to hit that like button. Leave a comment with your favorite tool, and subscribe to my channel for more cutting-edge GEO and AI SEO tips and tricks. See you in the next video.